Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I want to share something deeply personal and incredibly important: how to navigate our modern world by embracing the middle path. This ancient concept from Zen and Buddhist philosophy can truly transform the way we live our lives. So, let's take this journey together. The middle path, or Madhyamaka, is a principle taught by the Buddha over 2,500 years ago. It's about avoiding the extremes of indulgence and asceticism, and finding a balanced, harmonious way of living. Imagine walking along a narrow bridge. If you lean too far to either side, you'll fall. The middle path is that balanced way forward. But how do we find this balance in our busy, modern lives? One of the greatest challenges we face today is mental turmoil. Stress and anxiety are rampant, fueled by our fast-paced lifestyles. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the endless demands on your time and energy? Here's a simple task for you. Every morning, spend 5 minutes sitting quietly. Focus on your breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. This practice, rooted in Zen meditation, helps clear your mind and set a peaceful tone for the day. Can you imagine starting each day with a sense of peace? Emotional balance is key. In our relationships, we often swing between extreme reactions, from intense joy to deep sorrow. Have you ever found yourself caught in a whirlwind of emotions, unsure how to navigate them? Here's a task. When you feel overwhelmed by emotions, pause and take 3 deep breaths. Imagine your emotions as clouds passing through the sky. They come and go, but the sky remains. This Zen approach reminds us that while emotions are temporary, our true self is constant. What if you could handle emotional storms with calm and grace? Physical health is another pillar of the middle path. Instead of extreme diets or neglecting our bodies, we seek a balanced approach. Isn't it amazing how a balanced lifestyle can lead to greater energy and well-being? Here's a simple task. Practice mindful eating. Before each meal, take a moment to appreciate the food in front of you. Eat slowly, savoring each bite, and listen to your body's signals. This Zen practice helps us develop a healthier relationship with food and our bodies. Can you see how mindfulness can transform your eating habits? In today's digital world, it's easy to get lost in screens and social media. Do you ever feel overwhelmed by the constant barrage of notifications and updates? Here's a task for you. Designate 1 hour each day as a no-screen time. During this hour, engage in activities that don't involve technology. Go for a walk, read a book, or simply sit in silence. This practice, inspired by Zen's emphasis on presence and simplicity, helps us reconnect with the real world. How would it feel to truly disconnect and be present in the moment? As we wrap up, remember that the middle path is about finding balance and peace amidst the chaos. By incorporating these simple tasks into your daily routine, you can start to experience the profound benefits of the middle path. Start with small steps: 5 minutes of meditation, 3 deep breaths, mindful eating, and an hour without screens. Can you imagine a life where balance is your norm? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips. Let's walk this path together. Until next time, stay balanced and be well.